Can you sing to me? God bless America. Is that what it is?
Yeah. Sing for Tim.
Land that I love. I can't sing. Can you help me,
Dakota?
Dakota?
Can you sing it for Tim? Dakota, you want to sit here and sing God Bless America?
She started to sing it over here tonight.
Okay. Here, sit here and sing God Bless America.
I think I'm turning Andrea.
Okay. Can you sing it? Can you sing it? Can you sing God Bless America for Tim? Hey, Tim's right there. Dakota.
Uh-oh. Get that coffee.
Say, if you're not going to pay me to sing, I'm not going to sing.
Can you sing God Bless America?
For a piece of candy?
Can you sing it? Sing it, Daddy, give me a piece of candy. That's not very good.
You gotta sing better than that for a piece of candy.
Why don't you start over?
Start over. La, la.
Go ahead. Start over. Start over. You want a piece of candy? You gotta start over. You want some chocolate?
Awesome. That's all.
That was so.
That was good. That was awesome. Thank you.
Okay, you kind of missed the first verse, but.